Vios Gen3 2016 model. Okay, install Android player Senpai 10-inch. This is the OEM good fitting casing. It's the 4GB RAM, 64, 2GB version, QLED screen. Okay, how to connect the Wi-Fi? So the phone, open your hotspot, connected. Your link, your Wi-Fi, here. Okay, out. And the support to Bluetooth is the pin number. Can link to Bluetooth music play. Okay, this the short form is the navigation. Go to ways. Okay, send sign into ID. Log out. Okay, in the radio.
At a Watson store.
Put the radio sound.
Answering techniques for all men and many more will
Can
be
save radio channel 18. Okay, and the music can support MP3, WAV, FLAC, and the pen drive support here. 2 external, and the one is the support SIM card 4G. Okay, this is the equalizer. Equalizer can support equalizer music. Equalizer 48 brand light and the element and the cost point sound selected. Okay, output. Okay, can save the short form file setting here. So this is the T-Link, can support to CarPlay and the door. So it's the CarPlay and the wireless. The system can support. Wow. Okay, this is the car setting. So this is can open the ways. The size here, and I can setting the navigation is the music apps. Okay, can change to theme for theme. And output here. This is the open your signal. So no the bad signal open. So the here one more open. Okay, so they can volume up, volume down. GPS signal. This aux can support the front camera system. Auto screen setting. Can support front camera AHD and NTSC system. Okay, output. Okay, wow. Okay, this is off. Okay, this setting. Okay, apps. It's familiar. Play Store can sign in your Gmail, log in the account ID, can download the apps. Support. Okay. Okay, YouTube and the waist and the YouTube and the waist. Okay, the here, you open your file can the pitch screen function. Take one. Here you open Bluetooth lah. Try the Bluetooth. So as the Bluetooth can connect the music lah. Okay. And off. Play file. Full. Okay. Install by one piece. Thank you.